Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your LG6, for the first you have to go for the Essential folder, then swipe and enter the HD audio recorder. There's the terms of a use, so we have to read it and then accept. Click allow 2 times. Read it, all the stuff and click next. And right now, if you want to start your record, just click on this button. And as you can see right now, the smartphone is recording sounds. If you want to finish, just click here. And the record was saved and it's right here. So when we click on it, we can delete, rename and also show the details. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.